We are back. If you guys haven't seen my first video on this unit, I will link it in the description section. I show you an unboxing, and I do a full install on the unit as well. But she is freshly washed today, and this is the natural pattern of the hair once she is washed. Actually washed in conditioner, and we here today. So I'm thinking about styling her. Yeah, I want to make her cute today, y'all. Honestly, once I washed this, I did not get as much bleeding as I thought I was gonna get. Like a lot of you know, dye in the sink. So y'all, this hair has been doing so well. I'm super shocked. So that's the first thing I am going to do today, is install the unit. I am using my got2b glue hairspray, and we're gonna go ahead and secure the unit all the way around. Once we finish, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so now that we are all done, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the hair. This is the first time detangle the hair, and y'all, I just want to freaking say that I love this unit so much. I love the vibrancy of the unit, and I'm just so pleased with this red. Now I'm upset because I haven't been doing my red brows lately, but sis, it's okay, it still looks cute, but I feel like with the red brows, we just, you know, made it better. I don't know if I mentioned it already, because I did speak in the beginning of the clip, but I don't know what I said because I didn't watch it. But I was super shocked at this unit because I was expecting it to bleed so heavy when I went to wash it, and sis, it gave me no problems at all. It wasn't bleeding like heavy, you had light bleeding, and I was expecting it to like bleed, okay? As you guys can see, from the first video to this one, it still has its vibrant color and it hasn't faded at all. So super pleased with that. Also, I was expecting it to shed a little bit more as well, and it did not do that. So I did go ahead and do my baby hairs because that's how I need this style to go. Now I'm going in with my 𝚘𝚜 and spraying it all around the roots, and we want to get it as straight as possible, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb. Now I am gonna list the hot comb, however, the company that sold this one, I guess they sold out of the original, you know, version of this. They do have the same hot comb online, but it is black, so I will list it. It's the same exact one, it's just the color of the combs are different. So yeah, I will have that below, but I'm just continuing to, you know, straighten out the unit. I use my wax stick as well to get it as flat as possible. So I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer and placing it on the part. This is just going to make the part, you know, pop a little bit, and whatever I mess up, I just take a makeup wipe and just wipe it off of the hair, and it just, you know, it just sits right. But it made that part super duper clean. So we're gonna go ahead and do some space buns today. Okay, so you don't need a straight or pretty part, but you know, just part it a little bit, like towards the end of your brow. And I like to use a little rubber band, and we're just going to section that off and do the same thing on the side. I decided to go ahead and pull out some hair in the front because, you know, I just wanted to spice it up. Y'all know I don't really be styling my hair, so this was definitely out of my comfort zone. But I was like, sis, you gotta switch it up. You gotta do something different. And I felt like doing this style with colorful hair was different as well, because, you know, most people when they do style their hair, it's just black. But I'm like, sis, we can style color hair too and be cute or whatever. Now, y'all, I got all this ready, and you know, we couldn't go nowhere, but I went to the store and I got mad compliments on this unit and the way it was styled. So everyone loved it. I did go to the store for essential purposes, y'all. I went grocery shopping. So yeah, I decided to go because, you know, I got this kid for nothing, so let's go ahead and get some food since you ain't got no food in your refrigerator anyway. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and twist up the space buns. Now I don't know how to explain the space buns. I don't know how to explain. First, I tried twisting it and then wrapping it around, and then, you know, using bobby pins to secure it. But this is really a part that you want to play with. And I also stuck a rubber band on it too, because I didn't want the space buns to be perfect. I did want them a little sloppy, so that's what I was going for. But this part really, it's just basically how you want them. So like I said, I did twist it, and then, well, 2-strand twisted it and then twisted it around in a circle, added a rubber band, and then secured it in the places I wanted to stay. But like I said, it's really trial and error, and you have to make sure they're both even. But I just kept playing with it until I got it to where I liked it. So this is how it looked once I figured out that. Now, you could leave it like this since it's in its natural state. I thought this was pretty as well, but I just wanted to go in and give it some oomph, some curls, and that's what I did. So look at this. It's so pretty. I really should have left it like this because I just love the wave pattern. It's like a nice wavy pattern once it's washed. So anyway, I did decide to put some wand curls in it and just comb them out. I felt like it would just make the style more fuller and more thicker, and I was just here for it. So I'm going to continue to do that all the way around the entire unit. And for the pieces that I do leave out, I do take the curler wand and curl those too. And I don't know how I curled it away from my face underneath, but you guys will see. It's really, really a pretty simple style. It's not really hard to do. And with this unit, I'll turn around the back so you guys can see how it's looking, because I know sometimes you can style units and it's looking a sight. It's looking a sight in the back, and it's like certain units you can't style it certain ways because of the way it's constructed. But this unit says you're good to go. You're good to go. You don't see no tracks. You didn't see nothing. Like I had, you know, my family looking in the back of my head. So y'all seeing the tracks? Like it's like no. So yeah, I'm really, really, really excited of how this, you know, unit, it just came out, and I just love how versatile it is. Like I wear it straight. You all seeing how the pattern is when it's naturally washed. You can wear it like that. You can pretty much do it whatever. So this is a good unit, y'all. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Okay. So like I said, I've been wearing this unit off camera. As you guys can see, it's been some time from my last video, and I haven't had any problems with this unit whatsoever. I haven't had any. So y'all, it's definitely TJ approved. All the information will be listed down in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you decide to recreate this look, let me know. I know I'm not the first one to do this look, because I'm quite sure somebody already did it, but you know, somebody did it somewhere, okay? But anyway, if you guys decide to do this style yourself, let me know. Let me know. You know, share it on Instagram. Let me know I inspired you to do this, because, you know, yeah. So yeah, again, all the information in regards to this hair is listed down there. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.